Welcome to Cafe Di Lora's Kitchen. Tonight I'm going to show you guys how I bake my double baked potatoes. This is very easy to make. We have a potatoes here. It was already washed. Let's scrub it. And then we have a 2 tablespoons of butter, about 2 tablespoons of cream cheese, olive oil, Mexican style cheese, or any kind of type of cheese, especially like cheddar, it's more nicer. And then we also gonna need bacon bits, heavy whipping cream, salt to taste. Let's start it. So this is what we're gonna do. First, we are going to poke our potatoes. I have a fork here, so we are just gonna poke them. So when we season them, it can absorb it. Okay. And then after we poke them in this fork, we are going to rub some olive oil and some salt to taste. So when we're going to bake, it has flavor in it in the skin. Even it's random poke, it's fine as long as they get poked. So after we season them, we are going to wrap them in the aluminum foils. I have 3 pieces of aluminum foils here. We are going to bake about 400 degrees Celsius, about an hour. So right now we are going to rub some olive oil. I am going to season each one of them like that. Sorry. Okay. Just easy. Kind of like you're wrapping a candy. Oh my gosh. So nice. Some people they're also putting a chives on top after all the process, but it's kind of too much stuff, so we just need to we're fine with this. So I'm going to bake now for about an hour, and then I'll let you know guys after I bake them. Alright, okay, so let's time them for 60 minutes. So it's time in. I'll let you know guys when it's ready. Alright, so after an hour baking of our double baked potatoes, let's check them. Let's just turn off our timer. Okay. So now I am going to turn off our oven and then turn on back to 375 degrees after so I'm going to turn on back 375 Fahrenheit. So let's just leave it there, and now we are going to check our baked potatoes. They were pretty hot. Let's just check them first. If they're soft enough, then they were ready to smash them. Okay, yeah. Let's just cool them for now, and then we're going to proceed to the next process, after they cool down. All right, let's slice them into half so they could easily get cooled down. Okay, and then for your information, guys, I am going to use a electric whisk when I smashed them, so they were gonna be like creamy and you know, like alright. Okay, so I have my electric whisk. So now we are going to scoop our potatoes.
Aren't you gonna reuse that?
Huh? Whew. They're still hot. So when we're scooping our potatoes, we have to be careful of the skin. Make sure we're not gonna break them. We have to save some potatoes on the skin so they have more kind of like supports when we put back our potatoes. Pretty hot. Whew. Okay. They're super hot. They're super hot. So this is what I'm telling you guys. More longer. Some spots are soft, but some are still pretty hard. So after we scooping all our potatoes, so now what we're gonna do is to put all together our ingredients, our butter, the cream cheese, and then the heavy whipping cream, salt. So I have a electric whisk here. We are going to use it so we'll get our double baked mashed potatoes soft and creamy. Okay. And also, if you guys want to put like a black pepper, it's all up to you guys. But I usually put black pepper. Just keep smashing it. Just keep it paper towel. Okay. And then after we whisk it, we are going to try if it's enough salt. And then if it's not enough salt, we are going to add some salt more. It's kind of like you're making a mashed potatoes. But this double bake must put back in the oven after we put all our ingredients. Okay. Okay, this is... So now it's very creamy. But if you guys want something more creamy, you guys can add more like cream cheese and heavy whipping cream. It depends on texture you guys want. Let me try it first. Okay, it's for me. It's enough. Heavy whipping cream and cream cheese. I'm just gonna add more salt. Okay. So now we're going to put back on our skin potatoes. That's very creamy. Okay, we're almost done. So now we are going to put our bacon bits and the cheddar cheese. Okay, I think we got more than enough. Alright, last thing, our bacon bits. And then after we prepared, we're going to put back in our oven and bake them for about 15 minutes. We're just like wanted to melt our cheese, and then they're ready to serve. Okay, so now I'm going to put them back in the oven. Right, I'm going to put them back in the oven for 15 minutes, and I'll show you guys when it's ready. I wait for 15 minutes.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Please like and subscribe.